Okay, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about selecting colors for your website. Now, cs952 is not an art class. We're not here to make aesthetic judgments on what photographs work better than other photographs, or whether the two colors go together on your menu bar better than other colors can go together. That's not what we're all about. We're all about you learning how to use colors in your program. But if you want some tips for selecting colors, I'm going to point you to one of my favorite resources, and that is, we'll Google it right now, Adobe, A-D-O-B-E, Color, C-O-L-O-R, CC, just like Creative Cloud. Now let's Google that, and the first hit we get is Adobe Cooler Color Wheel. So let's have a look at that. This is pretty awesome. So what this is it's a way for us to try out different color combinations, and it gives us 5 different colors to work with, and it has built into it different rules for selecting colors. So let's say that there's, I don't know, some sort of red or green or some sort of color that you really like a lot. You can drag around. I've got the center color selected here. They call that the base color. And you can drag it around on this color wheel, and the color, Adobe Color CC, will give you suggested complementary colors to go with that color. You can spend forever on this. So the first choice that we're using right now is analogous colors. Let's look at monochromatic. And when you choose monochromatic, you can see basically we start with our base color, and then it gives us a range of colors that are lighter or darker than our base color. This can be very nice looking too, kind of subtle. We're doing different variations on the same color, so we call it monochromatic. We can also do this triad option, right, where we're picking colors from 3 different corners of the color wheel. We've got complementary colors. Let's see, let me drag, let me go down here to blue, right? There's a nice blue, and you can see we're getting some orangish colors along there with our complementary colors. And again, this is very interactive. You can just drag this around and switch it to wherever you want it to be. We have compound color selections, shades of colors. Now we have another video that talks about selecting different colors based on, you know, how you want to name them, whether we use RGB or the hexadecimal format. You can see down here we've got RGB and hexadecimal formats filled out. If you know the hexadecimal number you want, well, we talked about the color orange. I think we talked about that. The color orange in RGB is 255. Now I'm going to go to my next field, type in 165, and go to my next field and type in 0. And there we go, pure orange right there. And then we can see, well, if pure orange is our base color, then what are some of the other choices that we have to go with it? Anyway, this is very good. If you've got a color that you like, this is a good way to build a palette of colors to use for your website. If you have a Creative Cloud account, you can sign in. We've got a sign-in log up here, and then save different colors, and you can then access these colors from Dreamweaver. So you can save these different, look at these different color palettes that you saved. So another feature I really like about this program is you can actually load in photographs. The program will suggest colors for you based on what's in a photograph. So let's click on Create from Image, and I believe out here on my desktop I saved a photograph that I was going to use called Colored Pencils, and let's open that up. And there we have it. So here are colors suggested for us, and we have under our color mood, right? We have color mood. These are bright colors. I'm sorry, this is colorful. If I click over here under bright, then it's suggesting some other colors. Here are muted colors, deep colors. We've got dark colors, or custom colors. So you can grab one of your colors and then move it around and try out different. What would these colors be if you selected these different colors? But I really like the ability to just bring a photo into this program and then have it suggest colors for you. You may have other adjustments that you want to make, but this is certainly a good way to get started. Let's see if we can load in another image. I think I have one other image saved out here on my flash drive. Images. Here we go. Let's choose this one. So here's another very nice, bright, colorful image. I just pull it in, and right away we get a suggestion for these colors. These would be nice colors to use for my menu bar, for borders around images. There's the bright version of the colors. the muted versions. So this is called Adobe Color CC. This is a good way to start getting some colors going for your website. I suggest that before you get too far into the class, find some photographs that you like, go to this website and start investigating some different color possibilities. You can get some nice color combinations without having to put a lot of thought into it. This is a really great resource.